Welcome! In this video, we're diving into how to add your high school to your Gmail account on your Android device, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This will bring up your Google account settings. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. This is where you can customize your personal information. Now find the Personal Info tab and tap on it. Scroll down a bit until you see Choose What Others See, and then tap Go to About Me. This is where you'll be able to edit your details. Now keep scrolling until you find the Work and Education section. Here, you'll want to tap on Add Work and Education. From the options that appear, select Add Education History. This will allow you to enter the information about your high school. Complete all the required options, providing as much detail as you'd like, and when you're finished, don't forget to tap Save. And there you go. You've successfully added your high school to your Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.